slow cook butter chicken. Our viral butter chicken recipe has just had an upgrade. You can now use the slow cooker function on your TM6, TM7 or in the slow cooker to make this delicious recipe. We've also made it a lot simpler, lower in calories, and the best part of all, you don't have to pick out the whole spices at the end before serving it to your family. I'm going to get started with making the marinade. So we just have some real basic ingredients that we're chucking in. And then a little bit of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to blend that up now. And I'm just going to repeat that a few times to make sure the ginger is finely chopped. So now I'm going to add the chicken thigh into the marinade, and all I did was flatten out the chicken thigh and cut it into 3 parts. That way it won't break up or shred in the Thermomix while it's cooking. And I'm just going to set that aside. Now, if it's a warm day, of course, put it in the fridge. And you'll notice that instead of using whole spices like the original butter chicken does, we're now using powdered spices so that when you serve this to your family and friends, you don't have to stress about them accidentally chewing on a cardamom pod or something. Now we're going to add the cashews into what we've already put in the bowl. We've reduced it down to 80 grams just to help lower the calorie count in this dish. A tin of chopped tomatoes and some tomato paste. So I'm just going to set this aside in a bowl. Okay, I'm going to set that aside and I'm going to chuck my onions in. And now we're going to add our butter, of course, because it's butter chicken.
Slow cooker function, so this week you get to talk about the slow cooker, so tomato paste, mixture and chicken.
Yep.
For 9 minutes, 90 degrees separate.
Now that we've finished the slow cook, that looks amazing, we are going to add our honey and cream and finish it off. And we just cook that for 4 minutes and then it's ready to go. And now you'll see at the end of all of this, the only spice that I have to pick out is floating right on top. So I think that's a big win, but let's see how it turned out. Oh, that looks so good.